Alright, so Kwadwo Forex and Kwadwo Sheldon. So I'm looking so copy more extra. I send the question be masom. Since a why brutal. You say enche bia ana Kwadwo Forex American asen. E be treat say we babu no say we din fie be 30 good years. Na wunya sika 100,000 Ghana cedis, which is $6,150,000 today. Wunya bi da ana wu bi da na or say o check one now for any wabusua ani nipa bia usise wunim wo no sanze ebia na bia wonam no eho emwo na asemi Kwadwo Sheldon tie no ne bo anyo so to one so yan so be che na adwene na so be kana adwene afa ho na we hear video bi about sa asemi American ya.
I dey respect them and whatever they do, but this is a nonsensical tweet. Maybe I'll go straight to the point. You see, when you are sitting in a position of privilege, you have to be calculated with some of the things you say. Look at the economic condition in this country. Bro, you see the video of people trying to get Trotsky to work. Bro, it not be say people be lazy. Things no day for boys. So you not go first sit here and tell 30 plus in the crowd, bro. I friend I will shout Brazil. Bro, most of people in this country, the youth, when now them they come start on no 10,000 crew
30 plus now they can't get job. You know people who have worked for 30 years, Charlie, and they have not been able to save.
Bro, I always use my old girl was a nurse or nurse for her 30 years. Okofie, if I tell you the amount of money that was given to her, you go weep. I've seen teachers teach for 30 years and they go home with 20,000 Ghana cedis. I see people work their ass out in the government sectors and they go home with paltry sums of money. Bro, some of these things are triggering. Bro, you know the need.
Na Kwadwo Forex so ehimu da video no. Ono so eni anje wo. Nti we ebeye wentwi ewo omumienu ntamma. Sabre ade akasa na ma. Punchline kese be piuma achese. Atese baby a anything. Eno ada yeda sore ya Kwadwo Forex asa betuti se Kwadwo Sheldon edi agra sa ne fie na odi eye ne YouTube videos na de na o se ne media house no oba be to sa fie na o de ye nkukubu se enya asem ketu aka se kroma de wo ska ede but Kwadwo Sheldon so ono so antwen sense ono so episode che se sa sika Kwadwo Forex enya ono no odi a ye Forex aye kan nyina no sika fi ene sika papa na ono no otumu se sika na kra wa amfa kwan person nya ntina otimi tena kroma ka ne endi sika na ene otukwan na okwa na ade no yes but Kwadwo Forex so che se opa ono so na evidence ono on famra se entokwa na de ayede me person the wa be cut x one wa kwa read more about this beef na ya to aso yeah other story showboy ene osekrom skani nyom aye atamfo no sabre am no kese o the video number out na video no come apart also bet my YouTube now okwa but more other stories be am there about Stonebwoy replying Shatawale and replying Screwface. Yes, it is stay tuned and watch out for more. Your friend bright with my friend up okay one every sap I have BMS Ganet best for yourself or best subscribe now or like a video now if you want for your Facebook and TikTok am I and that's a crown.